Now coming to question answers part. Here I am going to show you question answers of your test book of your lesson number 2, location and extent. Now before proceeding our question answers, I am going to show you the answers slide for 15 seconds for the reason that you can take screenshots for each answer. The question number 1, which is there in your test book, the sentence right or wrong, rewrite the wrong one. Here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, the various numbers are given. You are supposed to write or wrong, you are supposed to say rewrite the wrong one. You have to again correct the wrong one. This is your answer. Read it carefully or you can take screenshot for each answer. This is continuation of first question. Now coming to question number 2, answer in brief. Here 3 questions are given, very important question. What problems did Brazil and India face after independence? How are Brazil and India differ from each other in terms of location? Describe the latitudinal and longitudinal rest of India and Brazil. So these 3 questions are there in your test book. Now see very carefully, I am showing you the slide of answer. Here it is question number 1, answer number 1. And important headings, you are supposed to underline it. Suppose you are writing for India, then underline India. Again here in this slide, that this is the continuation of question number 2 part 1. Here Brazil is given, so underline Brazil and write all the points. Again question number 2 is also given here, see it carefully. This is the question number 3. Now question number 3, select the correct option. Here questions are given which is there in your test book. This is objective question. You are supposed to select the correct option. Now see the answer. You can do it in your test book itself. Now children, here is your map. Already I told you in previous slides that map pointing and to show important places in your outline map of India and Brazil, it is very important. Questions will be coming in your coming lesson. So in first lesson, here we are supposed to show our very important points which is to be shown in your map, that is Indira Point, and in your neighboring countries, your latitudinal and longitudinal extent. Here, as you can see, it is also given in your test book also. I am pointing you, this is your Indira Point, which is there at Andaman Nicobar Island. which is the extreme southern tip of India. See, and already you know that Andaman Nicobar Island belongs to India. And if we'll take the mainland of our country, mainland part of our country, Kanyakumari is the extreme southernmost tip of mainland India. So, India is surrounded by Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east, and Indian Ocean in the southern part. You can see neighboring countries also in the eastern side and in the western side. One question was there in your textbook that you are supposed to complete the various neighboring countries of our country. So, latitudinal extent and longitudinal extent. From far east extent to west to east. What is the distance in kilometer to west to east and from north to south? Latitudinal and longitudinal extent. See it carefully. Here is our capital, New Delhi. You are supposed to show in your map also, New Delhi. So this is all about your lesson number 2, location and extent. So I hope you have understood well. See, one very important, apart from this PPT or slides, you are supposed to read your lessons thoroughly, which I am telling you since so many years. So reading lessons in social studies, that is history, political science, geography, is very important, because objective questions can come from inside your lesson. So everybody is going to read your lessons carefully, and you are supposed to make note of your important points, important places, latitudinal and longitudinal extent. All these points are very important in this lesson. So I hope you have understood well this lesson. Thank you.